Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice of the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today, I want to share with you how to cook some parsnip chips in the air fryer. I don't know about you, but when it comes to this time of year, you end up buying more parsnips than usual and you're always looking for a fun new idea to cook them. So I just love them in the air fryer just as a snack, an alternative to traditional potato chips, and they're just so lovely. I've got this brilliant storage container. I picked these up from TK Maxx and it's their home section. My food stylist loves it there and is always going, and I couldn't help myself, so I had to go shopping. And these are brilliant because they've got lids on them, so I can just keep them in the fridge to store them and I can prep ahead. And I've got a decent portion here of parsnips and they're already chopped ready for chips. So all we need to do is season and air fry. Salt and pepper is normally a given, and then just choose your favourite herbs or spices. I've gone with Cajun seasoning with these just to mix it up a bit, and then some extra virgin olive oil is the best oil to use in the air fryer. And Cal bought me these by accident, but aren't these cute, these little extra virgin olive oil balls? I think they're great, and they'd be great for travelling with if you're taking your air fryer with you in your motorhome. So let's start by adding some oil onto the parsnips. Depending on portion size, about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half. Plenty of salt. A little bit of pepper, depending on how much pepper you like. And then my favourite, good old Cajun seasoning. Oh, it's a bit stuck. Let's just give it a helping hand. Oh, that's brilliant, that. I just love this. This is from M&S and it's lovely. And then when you've added your seasonings and your oils, just get your hand in the bowl, give them a good mix. And then what I love about Cajun is the lovely colour you get as you start mixing them. Because when you've got an even coating throughout, you know they're ready. I mean, look at those, don't they look fantastic? So now, hands quick wipe. And then let's get them on, shall we? Air fry basket open, pour them in. Oh, look at all those, don't they look fantastic? And then air fryer in, and then I find that with the veggie chips, they go dry if you don't cook them at a lower temperature. So I'm going with 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and I'm starting them off with 18 minutes. And then press start, and then we can come and check on them. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fry plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fry Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So let's check on them, shall we? Oh, parsnip smell. So give your parsnips a good shake and then you can go back on again. So now we are going to use the temperature 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then we're going to cook for another 8 minutes. And then we can come back and check on them. And we've beeped. Oh, look at those beauties. Give them a really good shake. Shake them about. And now what you're after is fork tender parsnips. So as you can see, that is fork tender. So now what we're going to do is we've made them lovely and soft and delicious. So now we're going to add a bit of spray and put them on for a little bit longer. So a good spray of olive oil, and then temperature up to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 4 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So shall we check on these parsnips? Oh wow, look at those. Wow, loving those. Let's grab a few. Look at them babies. I love parsnips. And of course, if you'd rather, you can put the honey glaze on them. Though we've also got a recipe for just parsnips if you want them like that. So don't forget to head over to recipethis.com and check out a few of our different parsnip recipes, because we just love cooking with parsnips. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.